Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Yakov Karni. So today we're going to talk about a video about Yemenite style of how they used to wear, Jewish people used to wear the old-fashioned religion shirts and the kippah they used to wear back then. And this big box that I waited for 2 weeks for this came. So while I show you guys how I open it, I hope you guys like the video, and let's jump on it. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I'm gonna open the box. Hopefully it work. You guys box. Oh my guys, look at this guys. This is in Hebrew. It's crazy. Guys, I'm going to show you what's in the box. So in the box right now, what I'm gonna show you right now is some really awesome thing. And I got a piece of paper, but that's okay. But I want to show you what it looks like, how they used to wear it in the old days. So what I'm going to show you guys is this is a kippah that came from Yemen, and the Yemenite Jewish people used to wear this when they have like wedding, when you have like something for the wedding. It's something when you wear it when you're like, it's basically a kippah they used to wear, but they don't wear it anymore. And this is the stuff I had inside it. I really don't know how to use this, but I'm gonna have to learn how to do this. So this is the thing that what you have to do is put it around your kippah. You go around it and you go like this or something like that. That's how you did back then with the kippah, the Yemenite kippah, just to tight it, to make the kippah tight or something like that. Then I got a very old-fashioned shirt that they used to wear in Yemen. Wow, it is super nice, but old-fashioned. So this is what it looks like. This is what people used to wear when in the old days. They have to be very pure to wear this, and you have to be very religious to wear this. And my grandparents were from Yemen, but they died in Yemen from disease and stuff like that. And that's about it. So I hope you guys like this video. Tell me your thoughts about shirts, the sleeves of it. Tell me your thoughts about this. Tell me your thoughts about that one also, the kippah. And I hope you guys liked the video. And I'll see you guys in a couple weeks for a new video I'm going to work on. So adios.